Hello everyone, today let's solve the move zeros. So given an array nouns, write a function to move all zeros to the end while remaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. So the example is this input, and we have to move all the zeros to the back. So we have to do it in place, which means that our space complexity is O1. And today we will use this logic to solve the problem. We will have two pointers, right index and read index. Okay. So we will keep moving the read index to the end. So whenever read index encounter non-zero value, we have to exchange with the right index and then increment the right index. And then read index will keep moving forward. So the purpose of read index is to find out non-zero value and exchange with the right index. So let's work through this as an example. Okay. So first, so read index, right, points to non-zero value. So we have to exchange with the right index. Since they points to the same value, so nothing changed. And we have to increment the right index. And then read index plus plus. Okay, non-zero value is changed and increment right index. Right? And then read index plus plus. Increment right read index. Read index encounter non-zero value. So we exchange with right index and increment right index and also increment read index. Read index encounter non-zero value, so we skip this logic. Read index moving forward. Okay, read index found non-zero value, so exchange with right index. Okay, so here 5 0, right? And then we have to move right index, increment right index, and also increment read index. Okay, read index encounter non-zero value, so 63 0, right? Increment right index and increment read index. Encounter zero value, so increment read index. In read index encounter non-zero value is changed with right index. 0. Then increment right index, increment read index. Keep moving forward. And then when the read index points to out, when read index is out of this array, then we just break the loop, and that's the result we want. So let's see how we implement the code. Smaller, okay. So we will have nums here. So let's create a read index and write index. Both start from 0. So as long as read index smaller than the length of the noun, we have to do the following. If the number at read index is point to non-zero, right, we have to exchange with right index. So doing this read right read. So exchange read index value with right index value. Okay, and then increment the right index. Okay, after that we have to increment the read index. And that's it. So the time complexity for this algorithm is O1 and space complexity is O1. Submit. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching.